Okay, we're going to go ahead and work on assembling this 870 bolt back together. And sorry guys, you did not see the disassembly, but you're going to get to see the reassembly. So, pretty simple here. Let's go ahead and let's get this set up real quick. You take this locking block. It's only going to go one way in the bolt. You got a little stud right here sticking out, and it will go right in that recess. It will not go any other way. So it's going to make it pretty simple. You can't put it in upside down. You can't put it in that way. You can only put it in one way. So that's going to make that pretty simple. So locking block's going to go in. Sorry guys. Sorry, I'm trying to do this to the camera. Locking block's going to go in as such. I'm going to take the firing pin, and it's got a recess right here. We are going to face the recess. If you're looking at this upside down, that recess is going to be pointed that way. So we'll go ahead and get it in the firing pin hole here. Alright, having a hard time seeing there, so I had to step back behind the camera, but your firing pin spring is just going to sit in there. Just push your firing pin through. At this point, as long as you have everything lined up, you go ahead and push your firing pin through. Here's the retaining pin right here. It does have some little grooves in it. Those will face up. The pointed end will go down. You go right in here. Just make sure you're pressing your firing pin in as you do that, and that's going to retain that. Now that we got that, let's go ahead and tap this in place. Tap this down just a little further. Steel pin. Sorry guys, it's a little bit difficult doing it behind this camera, but all right, there we go. Everything looks good there. That's in place. Next thing we need to do is put the extractor spring and the plunger in. That's pretty easy. If you look towards the top here, there is a little bit of a cutout. Just drop that in here. Use the tip of my gun oil and just put a dab in there while I'm right there. Next thing, you're going to want to put this little detent right there, and your extractor is going to be oriented where this claw is like this. So you'll just push back. It will get to a point where if you rotate it slightly, this will click in place.